Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your haptic touch duration over on iPhone. So in order to change your haptic touch duration, what you need to do is actually head over into settings, just like this, over on your iPhone. This will also work on your iPad, by the way. Once you've done that, what you can do is just scroll a little bit down, and then right here you will notice that it says accessibility, where you want to click on, and then you need to click on touch right here. Once you've done that, click on Haptic Touch, and once you're right here, you will see touch duration, and you can either change it from default to slow or to fast. So when I change it from default to fast, it means that my haptic touch will now be a lot quicker, and you can actually test it right here on this image. So you will notice that it will be a lot quicker than when I may, for example, put it on slow, as you guys can see. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.